What is a subnet mask, and the difference between a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and 255.0.0.0.0? My DSL/Wi-Fi router provided by my ISP has an internal IP address of 10.0.0.138. The addresses provided by DHCP are in the format of 10.0.0.30. Now, I want to start using static IP addresses on my local network, and I don't know what to provide for the subnet mask. What is a subnet mask? Should I be using 255.255.255.0 or 255.0.0.0 as my subnet mask? What is the difference?
Most probably, you are after a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. A subnet mask refers to the practice of subnetting, which is, from my understanding of it, a way of dividing one network into smaller logical networks. A subnet mask is used to tell the network devices, whether it be the computer or any routers, modems, etc., what addresses are local, belongs to this network, and what addresses are remote, belongs to that network. So, if a computer's IP address is 192.168.1.104, and its subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, then the computer, and every other device attached to the same network, will assume that every IP on that computer's local network will be in the format 192.168.1.xxx, with 30 being the only part that would vary. Likewise, if the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0, then the computer will assume that every IP address in its local network will be in the format of 192.168.xxx. Subnetting a network is not really useful in a home network, such as yours. It is mainly used on larger networks, with 255 plus computers, to reduce unnecessary network activity. Mark provided this in the comments. One of the biggest advantages of subnetting in a large network is to reduce the broadcast traffic. If you have thousands of hosts on a single subnet, your switches will be choking on ARP, DHCP, and other broadcasts. In a home network, usually there isn't much of a need unless you want something like a guest wireless LAN that doesn't have any routing available to your main home network. This explanation is very rough and sketchy, so please forgive me if I have made a mistake or two.
Since Torbane's ISP gave him a router, or told him to configure his router, with the address 10.0.0.138, it leads me to suspect that this ISP's customers share the 10.0.0.0 address space. Otherwise most people would configure the router 10.0.0.1 or 192.168.0.1 or similar. In that case, it's important that he use the netmask his ISP gave him, or he may trample on addresses the ISP is handing out to other users. If he's sure his router is doing that, then he can probably use anything from /8 to /24. Without knowing the details of the connection and ISP config, it's hard to give a definitive answer. The netmask does separate your addresses into the network portion and the host portion, but the practical reason is so your router, and the routing code in your hosts, can know which destination addresses are on your local network and which need to have their packets sent through the router's uplink.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.